Hello everyone, welcome to this video. In this video, I'm going to discuss that what steps you need to do if you are getting an error that your screen is total black and you're just seeing the cursor on your screen. So this can happen after you have recently installed some of the Windows updates. So in that case, what we need to do is we need to make some few changes, very simple changes just to fix this issue. So the first step you need to do is press Windows key and P from your keyboard, P for project. So once you type Windows and P, this kind of a machine, this kind of a machine's display would be available in front of you. So from there, make sure PC screen only is selected for you. And once you have selected that, then your issue should have been solved. In case it is not yet solved, then it is a high chance that this issue is because some of the firewalls or the antivirus softwares that you have installed. So there might be a compatibility issue with the latest Windows update. So in that case, what we're going to do is just go to the control panel. So press Windows Q from your keyboard to bring up this menu and press just type in control panel. Go to programs and features option. In case your control panel doesn't look like this, make sure you have large icons in the view by. Go to programs and features, and here you will get all the list of the programs. So if you have any antivirus software or any of the firewalls, just uninstall them and then your blank screen issue should have been solved. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching.